how to connect Soundpad to Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Soundpad on Discord. Let's get started. First off, what is Soundpad? Soundpad is a built-in sound recorder that lets you record everything you hear. It also comes with an integrated editor so you can quickly cut and edit sounds. Now, once you have Soundpad set up, you can easily play sound effects or music and everyone in your Discord voice channel will hear it live. Here's how to connect Soundpad to Discord. Open Soundpad, click on File, then Preferences, and go to Devices. Look for the device you're currently using. Once you know the device, open Discord and go to User Settings. Click on Voice and Video. Under Input Device, here select the same device that Soundpad is using and select it under Input Device. Next, scroll down and turn off Echo Cancellation. Under Advanced Voice Activity, turn it off and set it to None. And that's it. Now you can use Soundpad directly inside your Discord voice channels to play any sounds you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.